This is going to be massive. Can we get another drum roll? Introducing Canva Sheets.
It is my honor to introduce Visual Suite 2.0.
Introducing, drumroll please, Canva AI. Introducing Canva Code.
Get ready.
Who is ready for our first big launch?
It is my honor to introduce Visual Suite 2.0. We have taken the entire Visual Suite and brought it all together, all in one design.
So you're telling me each page of my design can be any format I choose?
Exactly. Let me show you how it works. Say we're starting a new project. We can kick things off with a presentation slide. Then on the next page, you can add a doc to write a brief so your team can have all of the deep context you need.
Next, we can add a whiteboard so we can brainstorm ideas together, all without leaving the one file.
And can we add more slides to present these ideas?
Sure. We can even create our own content on the very next page. Let's add some social posts, videos. We can even add print designs. And who doesn't love some swag, right?
And then when it's time to share it with the world, you can publish the whole thing as a website.
We are so excited to bring the full power of data to Canva.
And bring that one missing piece to the Visual Suite.
All right, this is going to be massive. Can we get another drum roll? Introducing Canva Sheets.
Welcome Canva Sheets to the Visual Suite 2.0. Now, maybe not here, but some of you might be wondering, why was it so important to bring Sheets to Canva?
Because we believe data is a critical ingredient for the future of design and the key to designing at scale. Let me show you why Canva Sheets is unlike any spreadsheet you've used before. Firstly, it's easy to use, and of course, it's beautifully visual, just like the rest of Canva. Built for the AI era, Canva Sheets does the hard work for you. With magic formulas, you'll never need to memorize a single formula ever again. And with magic insights, analyzing your data is beautifully simple. It just takes one click. So, with Canva Sheets, everyone is a data expert.
Let's see it in action. Yeah. So with Canva Sheets, you can use Magic Write to generate an entire month's worth of copy with just one personalized prompt. And next, we can take things global. With one click, Translate will rewrite your content into over 100 languages. You go from one language to many in seconds. And we know just how much this community loves background remover. So instead of going one image at a time, you can now remove the backgrounds from all of your images at once. And then with Bulk Create, which is seamlessly integrated into Canva Sheets, you can select your data and transform a single design into many, each of them customized with your content. And finally, let's use Magic Resize to get everything into the right format. Ready to go live, and ta-da! That is a whole month's worth of content done in minutes.
We're incredibly excited to show you what the team has been working on. Introducing, drumroll please, Canva AI.
It all starts here on the homepage. Alongside your existing designs and the Visual Suite, you'll see a deceptively simple new bar. Here, you can search your own designs, browse through millions of templates, and now get started with Canva AI, all in one spot.
Canva AI brings our most loved AI features together into one interface, where designing is as easy as having a conversation. You can start creating with Design for Me, create an image, and draft a doc. Let's try the first one, Design for Me. Imagine we run a boutique travel business, and we would need to create some travel guides. We can use my voice or write a simple prompt, like design a presentation to showcase one of my favorite cities in the world, Porto, Portugal. We'll let it work its magic, and now we have 4 great options. But it's not quite perfect yet. Using the chat, let's refine further just by giving a few simple directions. We can choose to change the color or even swap out some of the images. And when we're happy, we can take it into the editor to collaborate with the team and add the final touches. You can even use Canva AI to help write your presenter notes. With just a few clicks, it will summarize all the information on your slide, and we're ready to present. So we've created a travel guide and a personalized itinerary. Next, we can use Create an Image to make a LinkedIn ad. It's perfect for those moments when you really need an image that stands out. Let's say our business is growing. We want to attract more executive clients. We can create an ad with an eye-catching visual. Let's upload a reference image and ask Canva AI to use it as inspiration. Take this image of travel luggage. We can upload it here and transform it so it's more tailored to our brand. And now we have 4 new options. I like the third image here, so I'll take it to the editor where I can refine my design. Then, with just a couple of clicks, you can add your visual to your LinkedIn ad campaign using their new app. And there you have it. With Canva AI, you can now design, you can now design with a simple conversation.
Draft visual docs that capture people's attention.
And create images that didn't exist until you imagined them.
So, just like we empowered the world to design a decade ago, we're going to do the same for coding. I am so excited to share our final launch for today. This one is truly groundbreaking. Can I get a drum roll? Introducing Canva Code. Now, for the first time ever, anyone can create not just visual, but interactive experiences. No coding skills required. This is a big moment for Canva as we reimagine what it means to design and to bring ideas to life. You'll find Canva Code right on the homepage. in Canva AI. Just enter a prompt and describe what you want to build in a few sentences. And it can be almost anything you can imagine: a quiz, a game, an interactive calculator. And then watch Canva code it for you. It's true. You don't need to know HTML or CSS. It does all the hard work. And then, once it's built, you can add your custom-coded widget to any design, like a presentation, or publish it as a website. But to truly see what's possible with Canva Code, we had to put it in your hands. So last week, we assembled a group of 25 people, from teachers to business owners to students, and we asked them a simple question. If you could code, what would you build? Let's see what they created.
Okay, everyone. We are extraordinarily excited to have you all here today. Who here has coded before?
Never.
You have?
Yeah.
What have you created?
I didn't make anything, but I played a coding game.
I never coded before. This is my first time.
Coding. It's confusing. It's very complicated.
Yes. Okay, what if I told you all, by the end of this session, you're all going to be able to code something and have it all in your Canva design, your website, your presentation?
Yeah, it's going to be exciting.
Yeah.
You should see a new button that says Canva AI. If you click on that, you should see a button that says Code for Me. We are just going to put in whatever we've ever dreamed about.
I feel like study guide, maybe.
Sounds perfect.
One of my songs would be recommended so they can play it.
Yeah. Oh, that's so cute.
My family's company. We don't have a website, so I think this will be really helpful for us.
A horror-based video game based on my dog.
I'm trying to build a website for my floral design company.
A video game, riding a city bike through the portals of New York.
Online fitness.
And then there are different presets.
There we go.
Oh, it's coding.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness, you've got to be kidding me. It's built.
It just created like almost 140 lines in seconds.
How long would that take in real time?
Like hours.
This is light speed.
Okay, everyone. Let me know when your codes are finished generating. I'd love to see what you've all been creating.
So I made a website as an artist. I wanted people to be able to like type in how they're feeling, and then one of my songs would be recommended.
Oh.
So I called it In the Mood for Love. You could search up like I'm in love, and then it'll just play a song.
I'm big into fitness. I asked Canva AI to build an app that tracks everything in the same spot.
So I created a puzzle for kids with autism. It's a sensory game. It does make sounds as well. Well, not yet, but I'm coding that right now.
I was able to create a interactive study app, flashcards, quizzes.
I created this horror-based video game on my dog.
Hey everyone, this is Boba Buddy, sort of a dashboard website where you can find all of the bubble tea or boba shops in your area.
We made a multiplication game.
It makes math a lot easier in school if you have all this memorized, right?
The thing that blew me away about Canva Code is how fast it was.
It saved me like 2 or 3 weeks of work.
To know that this exists now for people that are starting, that don't have a big budget, is huge.
It's simple, you know, you just have an idea and it can come to life in a matter of minutes.
Who can now create with Canva Code? Excellent. Well done, everyone.